So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished doing some repairs on a hall bath. It's upstairs hall bath. So single lav, toilet over there, and then of course tub shower combo. One of the things that was going on is they're getting flooding down below in the laundry room, which is directly below the bathroom. They had some trouble a while back with the toilets not being seated correctly. They resolved those issues to the best of their ability, and they believe that's not the problem anymore. So we came out to take a look at the tub area. Through a little bit of investigating and cutting back. First we took off actually the trim plate and handle that was already removed, so we cut back some of the green board and took a look in there with the valve running to make sure that there wasn't something spraying in the wall. Couldn't see anything. I mean, as much as you can see through that hole, which is about a 4-inch diameter. Didn't appear to be any mold, any wetness, so we went ahead and looked down at the spout and moving it around a little bit while the water was running. We got water rolling down the tile from the bottom of the spout down to the tub. So I notified the homeowner, and we decided to proceed and try and find out what's going on. Unfortunately, these copper style tub spouts come with this little adapter and an O-ring in there, and you cut your copper, slide it in, then you use this little set screw. Unfortunately, this spout got turned. Normally the part of the spout that's still on, which is this portion right here, this guy, part of it, it's in several pieces right now, but there's a little notch at the back, and I can't find it right now, but at the very bottom at the back here is a little oval recess that you put your Allen wrench in there and you loosen the screw. Well, this had been spun. The tub spout, when it was originally installed, got spun somehow, and that was no longer. You can see that this is facing down right here. There's the nut pointing out. So something happened. I don't know what. Our best guess is when they installed it, they shaved off part of this O-ring, and so that O-ring failed. You can see the corrosion here on the tub spout. And so anyways, what we did is we took this all apart, and we've got copper stubbed out, which is nice. The only thing we don't like is that adapter right there. So we got a brand new Kohler spout here for IPS, which is, or NPT, a nominal pipe thread. We cut the copper back, soldered a male adapter on, and piped up Teflon tape and screwed that on. So now it's super tight on there. We've tested it out, no leaks, no runs, no errors, which is great. And then of course we put the trim back together for the homeowner, and they had a little bit of caulking downstairs, so we went ahead and put some caulking around not only the tub here, the tub spout all the way around, but also the trim. You know, you want to keep water off those areas, mainly because there's a big hole there and there's another hole down here. So that's all caulked in. We've tested it. Hot and cold works great. Spout works great. Diverter works great up to the shower head, as you can see. And so let that sit for 24 hours. It is water-based, and you know, it'll wash out if you get too much water on there. So just like I did. So let me get that dried off and taken care of it. Anyway, so this installation is done. Outside of that, we are good.